Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video I show you real quick how to get stretched resolution in Valorant. This tutorial is for Nvidia graphics card users and you can use it for Windows 10 and 11 both. First go to the search bar and type in Nvidia control panel and click here. Wait until it's open and then go to change resolution, click on this and then customize. Make sure that this is enable, resolution not exposed by the display, and then create custom resolution. Click here and change the horizontal pixels. Most of the people are using 1720, and yes, so you can also change it the same. You might not see it because I'm recording the screen and sometimes OBS or Windows is not recording the popping up windows. Just press OK. Now you go to your custom resolution, apply. Wait a second, it's already popping up again. To make it correctly, sometimes you must go back to your previous resolution, apply, and go back to your custom resolution. So most of the things are already done, but there's one thing you must change, and this is how you do it. Go to your search bar and type in Device Manager, click here, and here are all your devices. Go to Monitors, click here, right click, Disable Device. First it sounds, oh, what's happening with my monitor? But normally nothing will happen. It just disabled and everything stays the same, guys. And of course, I must say it's on your own risk to change something on your system. But as far as I know, nothing will be happen. This is just for the game not to recognize your monitor and to stay at your new customized resolution. That's all. Now you can open Valorant and you will see you have a new resolution. Thank you for watching and see you next time.